Hi Virgo, welcome to my channel. This reading is for people who are not in touch with their person of interest or crush or better half and wants to know what's happening or what will happen. Please keep in mind the general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Also hit like and subscribe. Alright, so what they are thinking, Virgo. So Virgo, they are really wanting to tell you that they really want to end a third party, and this wall between you two, I think there has been, I don't see third party for some of you, it could be, but for some of you, you were on a break because of disagreements and though right now for both of you you feel it's the end, but it's not. It's really clearly not ended. There's a lot for them to say. There's a lot for them because they've really gone inside. If they have made a mistake, they are open to accept it and change themselves. They really hurt by by whatever happened between you two, and the ending, so-called ending, which is not. Let me see if they come to you. What will they tell you? If they come to you, what will they tell you? Lot of swords energy. So they will tell you that they didn't like what you said, they didn't like what they said either. They really have passion for you, and they really put you on a pedestal of all kinds, but they don't like the way you judge them. They don't like the way you don't let them be themselves. Do you really judge them, or you're really nitty pricky in a lot of things. You keep on poking them for little things, and I think it has come to a position where they just don't want it. They could be a childhood trauma, that you have woken up. You have really pricked that wound, which was an old wound. Probably something happened in the past and you have brought it up, Virgo, and you have not done the right thing, is what they will tell you. Let me see what you feel about them. So you really want to offer an apology, very little though, but you really feel that you are attached to them. Somewhere there is a passionate attachment to them, and you are planning something. You are in your head thinking of the ways to communicate with them, to go and tell them what you feel is your energy. Let me see what's the future of this connection. What is the future of this connection? Alright, so there is, yes, after this communication, I think you both will be quite peaceful. You both will have, I think you both want a new start, and there will be a very good change. I think you will sit and talk about it. You probably will shout and fight, but you'll end up being together. You'll end up starting afresh, and you'll end up a completely new beginning. I think this was meant to be. With these cards, I feel whatever happened between you two, I think you all these past wounds, yours and theirs, came out, and you probably have understood each other with this break, is what I feel, and this break was needed. So now things will be good in the near future. So wishing you all the best, and keep watching my channel. Do like and subscribe, and I'll give you more updates very soon. Bye bye.